Yes, so you can see this equation Ex is equal to sigma x upon E minus mu sigma y upon E minus mu sigma z upon E. So I have taken 1 by E common, so we are left with sigma x minus mu also taken common from these two terms. So minus mu is taken common, we are left with sigma y plus sigma z. So putting the values, sigma x is now I have rearranged for convenience, numerator above and denominator, that is E in the below the line. So sigma x is 100 minus mu 0.25, sigma y is 60 tensile, so it is positive, and sigma z is minus 30 compressive, that's why minus sign. So plus minus minus, so it will be minus 30 upon 2 into 10 raised to 5. So we will be solving this equation in calculator. We will open double bracket first, we will put the numerator in one bracket first. 100 minus 0.25 into bracket 60 minus 30 in one bracket, bracket close, double bracket close, divide by, in another bracket I'll put the denominator 2 into 10 raised to 5, close the bracket. So we are getting 4 something in fraction 0.00, so I'll press the ENG button to get 462.5 into 10 raised to 6, which is the right answer.